Oh, hi uncle. Why are you here? Raghav, I am going to take some medicine because I'm not feeling well. Last time I told you that I was having a fever. Oh, uncle, you can go. Yes, I am going. Hey, wait, Raghav, I have an idea. Can you please tell me your Devashri Ganesha story, please? Yes, uncle, I will tell you. Um, but first I think you should take the medicines. Yeah, Raghav, would you come with me? I will like it very much. Yes, uncle, I will come with you. Okay. Hey, Raghav, I was waiting for you there, but you left me and came here in the waiting room. I was searching there a long time. Sorry, uncle, but my legs were very paining, so I came here. Okay, so let's go to the cafe and tell me a story. Yes, uncle. So, this is the episode 2, season 1. Let's start. So, we have listened the story till the fire in the temple, but Ganpati's murti was very safe. And after that, all the Ramu was having two sons, Raghav and Somanshu. So both were happy, but the Raghav was little bit naughty, and he does not like Ganpati because he thought that Shiv is bigger and more powerful. But the Somanshu thought that Ganpati is very nice god, that all gods are very nice. Both sons were bigger. Now Ramu thought that whom should I give to the village? Then his first son told that please give me the village. I will handle it with very carefully. Ramu thought and give the village to the to Raghav. After some time, Raghav was very bad to the peoples. He told, now no Ganpati in this village. Then Ramu one day asked, you should not do like this. It is very bad thing. All gods are very good. But the Raghav told his father that you keep quiet, you will not understand anything. Raghav pushed his father aside and gone for his work. His father felt very bad. After some time, a very rich man entered the village. Then one man asked him that please can you make a temple for here? The rich man told, yeah, of course. And he brought many laborers and started making the temple. After some days, the temple was ready. But when the Raghav listened this, he told, no one took my permission and started building the temple. Now I will fall the temple and no one will make Ganpati's temple. He called out the digger and broke down the temple, and Raghav then taught a lesson to that man. And then Raghav was very happy to broke down the temple. Ganpati Bappa were seeing everything. They told, now I have to taught a lesson to this Sarpanch Raghav. What shall I do? Ganpati thought and told, now I will send my own roop there and taught him a lesson. Then he made a boy and told, now his name will be Abhishek. He sent him to that village. And as he entered his first foot in the village, it was very different. The villagers were feeling the village is very different from the past time. It was so good to see that people were happy. Raghav thought, why people are very happy today? So he was thinking. His father told, see, now Ganpati Bappa will taught you a lesson. Because you tell them very bad, na? They were very angry and they sent their roop. And one boy has entered this village, and now the boy will kill you all because Ganpati Bappa is very sad and angry on you. He told, Raghav told, nothing. That is just nonsense. Nothing can happen to me. Then he gone to his Sadhu Baba and told that like this and like this happened. The Sadhu Baba told, oh, like this happened? You just wait for a few days and let me check that Ganpati Bappa has came or not. You can go now. And after few days, the Sarpanch saw that Ganpati's temple was built, but in just one day, how it can be? And then Raghav called a digger and broke down it. But second day it was still. He was thinking that how it can happen? Impossible. Abhishek came there and told, impossible can be changed into possible too, and gone from there. Raghav was thinking that how it happened. Oh, so like this happened in this story. Acha. Oh, I forgot to take my medicines. Let me just take my medicines. Yes, you can take it very fast. You will feel it very better. Thanks for telling me your wonderful story. You're most welcome. Hello friends, if you liked my story, so please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon and like my videos. Thank you.